TV, I am Ruchi Sharma. Strategy led by Michael Saylor has purchased 21,021 Bitcoin worth $2.4 billion using proceeds from a successful preferred stock sale. The offering, initially planned at $500 million, raised nearly $2.5 billion from investors. The preferred shares come with a 9% dividend and begin trading Wednesday on Nasdaq. With this buy, Strategy's total Bitcoin holdings rise to 628,791 BTC, valued at around $74 billion, cementing its position as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin globally. The US SEC has approved in-kind creation and redemption for all spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This means large institutional investors can now create or redeem ETF shares using BTC or ETH directly instead of cash. The move improves efficiency and reduces costs, aligning ETF supply more closely with market demand. This is the first major crypto-positive step under new SEC Chairman Paul Atkins, who has signaled support for more flexible digital asset regulations. Nasdaq-listed DeFi Development increased its Solana holdings to 1.18 million SOL, worth around $218 million, after acquiring 181,303 tokens between July 21st and 28th at an average price of $155.33. The purchase was mostly funded through its equity credit line. The firm's key metric, Solana per share, rose 12% to 0.0575. Nearly all the newly acquired tokens will be staked across multiple validators to generate yield. DeFi Dev has used less than 1% of its $5 billion credit facility so far. Standard Chartered reports that corporate entities now hold 1% of Ether's total supply and predicts this could rise to 10% over time. The surge mirrors growing inflows into spot Ether ETFs, with firms like BitMine and SharpLink adopting yield-generating ETH Treasury strategies. According to the bank, Ether's ability to earn staking rewards and participate in DeFi gives it a structural edge over Bitcoin in Treasury portfolios. ETH-BTC ratio has jumped from 0.018 in April to 0.032 in July. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority has introduced a stablecoin licensing regime effective August 1, 2025. All stablecoin issuers, local or international, must now secure a license to operate in Hong Kong. The rules apply to fiat-backed tokens like HKD and USD-pegged stablecoins. HKMR released 4 key documents, including a licensing guide and AML compliance framework. No licenses have been issued yet. The move aligns Hong Kong with global regulatory leaders like Singapore and the European Union's MiCA in overseeing digital assets. Ethereum-based Treasury protocol ETH Strategy has secured 12,342 Ether, valuing $46.5 million in pre-sale funding through private sales, public participation, and warrant-based offerings. The project will allocate 11,817 Ether for operations like Ether staking and liquidity provision, while 525 Ether will support development and audits. ETH Strategy aims to offer leveraged Ethereum exposure without margin risk or volatility decay via a novel bonding mechanism. Coinbase Derivatives will launch regulated Nano perpetual futures for XRP and Solana on August 18. These contracts, featuring small lot sizes, are designed to lower entry barriers for traders and will offer up to 10x leverage. Unlike traditional futures, they have no monthly expiries and are valid for 5 years. The move expands Coinbase's regulated future suite, following earlier launches of Nano Bitcoin and Ether futures, offering a compliant alternative to offshore platforms for US traders. eToro will tokenize US-listed stocks on the Ethereum blockchain, enabling around-the-clock trading and integration with decentralized finance. The ERC20 tokens will be backed by actual shares held by eToro and can be redeemed for traditional equities. The move follows the rise of crypto-friendly regulations like MiCA and the Genius Act. eToro joins Robinhood, Kraken, and others exploring tokenized equities and builds on its past work with tokenized metals and its 2019 acquisition of tokenization startup Firmo. Chinese Bitcoin mining giant BitMine will open its first US factory by September 2025, likely in Texas or Florida, with production set to begin in 2026. The move aims to serve growing North American demand and reduce delivery times amid rising geopolitical tensions and trade restrictions. BitMine says the US drive for Bitcoin leadership presents a key opportunity. The expansion also helps BitMine mitigate tariff risk and meet servicing needs more efficiently in its largest market. BitMine Immersion Technologies has announced a $1 billion stock buyback plan aimed at boosting shareholder value, especially while its stock trades below its asset value. Also, the firm holds 625,000 Ether worth $2.35 billion and 192 BTC worth over $22 million, pushing total crypto and cash holdings to $2.77 billion. With a net asset value of $22.7 per share and current stock price at $31.2, BitMine may repurchase shares if market conditions change or to support its 5% Ether ownership target. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mute Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3Row TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3vostu.io or scan the QR code.